contribute some of that to the Agrilaser.
So Agrilaser, tell me a little bit about that. What is that?
It's called the Autotonic Agrilaser. It's a product from over in Europe. The laser beam scans the field, and the green laser birds cannot tolerate it. It makes them very uncomfortable. And our bird that we're going after is a cedar waxwing. That is our nemesis here. They will eat your crop completely up, and we kept them pretty well at bay with this machine. It was pretty exciting to watch. And so when I ran across the Autotonic Agrilaser, I thought this would work. I mean, it's noiseless. It doesn't bother anybody. I think it's paired up really well with our systems.
Prior to the laser, you used was it the cannons?
Yeah, the propane cannons, and for years everybody's used them, and everybody complains about them. They're obnoxious. They're a nuisance. Nobody really likes them. So we're kind of happy that this system makes no noise, and it's not offensive.
So with this system and other tools in your tool belt, you really don't need to rely much on the cannons anymore.
No, not at all. We're really happy about that.
Okay. And can you move it around if you want? Is it something that's portable? Or?
Sure. Okay. Yeah, it's very portable. I think they did a wonderful job with this piece of equipment.
So you'd recommend it to other growers?
Absolutely. And the other thing they have is some handheld units that I think a larger grower can definitely fit the Autotonic Agrilaser in his program. The smaller grower, they can grab the handhelds and incorporate it into their program. So.
All right. Well, thanks, Bill.